Last time we saw the dream behind AI, the book that answers back. But dreams don't build machines. So where did machine learning actually come from? Nobody woke up one morning and invented it.
Here's how I see it. Real problems rarely come from thin air. Even PhD students mostly get their problems from somewhere else, often from a business that sponsors the research. So this machine learning concept, did it come from business too?
It came from two streams meeting. The first stream is research. Mathematicians had the tools for centuries. Newton's calculus, statistics, probability. The math behind machine learning existed long ago. We just didn't have the equipment to run it at scale. By the 1960s, IBM computers at NASA were already predicting whether a rocket would stay on its path. The second stream is business, and its name is automation. Look at the ladder. Punch cards, then hard disks. Then we automated the small tasks. Dashboards appeared, alerts started firing, then whole pipelines, CI/CD, running on their own. Now take one more step up that ladder. What does every company want next? Decisions taken automatically while you sleep. Hand that problem to a researcher, sit them next to a programmer, and machine learning is what comes out. And some of it was simply inevitable. A programmer's basic instinct is to model the real world in code, imports, exports, whatever we see out there. So the moment we understood roughly how the brain works, someone was going to build a neural network. I'm sure any other species would have found it too.
But wait, if the math was there since Newton, why did AI arrive only now? Why not 50 years ago?
Compute. Think what it takes to predict a complete human sentence. Uncountable combinations, all that grammar. An 8286 couldn't do it. A 386 couldn't. Even a Pentium couldn't. The ideas were waiting. The moment enough compute power arrived, the models just came up. So machine learning is not a lightning strike. Research gave the math, business gave the need, and compute finally made it possible. It's the natural next step of automation. That's all AI is. Next, with thousands of models out there, do you want one AI that does everything or one AI per job? That's part 3.